straight. So we'll be pulling out shortly. Boy, what another beautiful day down here in Clermont. So we got up this morning, decided to do something that we haven't done in a little bit, and we'll show you that later, okay? Say it. Do you know where you're at? I know where we're at.
You told me not to say it.
Yeah, we're just, we thought we'd do a Disney park today. It's a nice day, it's mid-70s. A little sunny, a little hazy in the sky. But we thought we'd come in and do a Disney park for a little bit. So, hope you enjoy it.
Can you see it?
Oh, it's right up there, right over Patty's head. Yeah, right there.
Here it is.
There you go. That's where we are.
They will go about 8 miles from their water source to search for food.
Thank you. Great tour. Just juiced her. This guy's camera shy.
And the dad, they were scary. We knew he would be going to buy. They do. They were scary to watch. We knew he was going to.
He's probably getting pretty old.
So I move over here and he goes that way. Yeah, the mother's in the
The
back.
little
This is the
teaser?
troublemaker.
The little teaser.
Yeah, the troublemaker. The case. I just saw the baby move. Yeah, I knew she was too. Look at this. Yeah.
I'm in the tree. You see him up in the tree?
There's another one coming in too.
Right here. That's funny. Never seen him do that.
There's another teacher.
See the other one down at the base of the tray?
Ooh.
I just heard it.
He did. He just.
Now you'll smell it.
I don't know, because it's too young. I don't know if that would.
No, it wasn't from here. It's behind us.
No, it was him. I saw him. You'll see him on the video.
Okay.
He did it. That's a little boy.
You might be up there looking at the other ones across the way. Fly with a break. That'd be fun.
Surprised Mama's not over there.
Yeah, see the other ones right at the base of the tray. Mama's moving over here. She says, I'm getting away from
He
this.
just got it.
Yeah, because he realized that Mama was leaving.
Everyone, have I welcome? We have been expecting you. We're here today to welcome you, one and all, to a celebration of Festival of the Lion King. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
we had a good day at Animal Kingdom. I thought, anyways. We went on a safari. We showed you a little video of that. Festival of the Lion King. We saw the new kite show. What do you think?
Mhm.
That's about as good as it's going to get right there.
It was
Mhm.
different. It was different.
It was better than River of Light, my opinion. Remember that?
I do. And yeah, I guess. It wasn't, I think Rivers of Light was longer. It was a longer show.
Thank God that kite show wasn't longer.
I know, it's
Yeah,
very,
it was
it's really not very long.
But
so.
we had to do it once, and we've done it once, so there's two places to sit around that waterfront right there. There's one right by Expedition Everest and one over by the Nemo show, which is not playing yet. Make sure that you sit over in the area by the Nemo show, because that right there, they have little dancers down in front of you. It's still hokey, but it's better,
they
I think.
they do a little bit of a kite show down there.
Yeah. It's still
But
not worth the amount of money that you pay to go to Disney for to see something like that.
you
So,
can see it from the other side. It's just that it's
Yeah.
more directed towards
Yeah.
the entrance over by me.
now, when we go to Disney World from down here at Clearbrook, we're about 35, 40 minutes away. We typically stop for lunch before we get to Disney, so we don't have to buy a $40 lunch for us to. We'll get something at McDonald's, for $15 for 2 of us. It's just puts food in your belly before you get there. But we went right over and got on the safari, which we enjoyed. It was a good safari. And then walked over to the Gorilla Trail after, which was hilarious, by the way, as you've seen from the video that I put up there.
So the new baby.
We got a new little baby over there with Mama, and I believe it's her baby from a couple years ago. Was trying to get her attention, and he got himself in some trouble. But it was pretty comical. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. And then we went over to see the big gorillas, the big males, and that's always a good experience. But we,
They have very much the same habits that humans have, really. Kind
okay, somewhat.
Kind of.
Yeah, okay.
Like the little guy was jealous
Yeah,
of the
he
baby.
was jealous. So at one point, we went around on the backside where the mama was and the babies and the female group. And the little guy came over and climbed a tree and was sitting on the top of the tree trying to get the attention of the males behind us. And he actually beat his chest. And as luck would have it, I had just moved the camera down because there was another little male, I think, was underneath the tree. And he happened to beat his chest up in that tree while I was down on the bottom. So I almost got it, but not quite. You can hear it, catch our reactions. But after we did the gorillas, we just walked around Animal Kingdom just enjoying the vibe there. But I want to tell you, there are a lot of foreigners visiting Walt Disney World right now, and the place is pretty packed. And with Genie Plus out there, if you don't purchase Genie Plus to go on attractions, there's lines, and it's longer waiting than what we've ever waited before. So, in my opinion, Disney's money grab, the Disney Plus, the Genie Plus, is hurting the regular customers like us. We've been on everything at Disney multiple times, so there's nothing we have to do. So I'm not giving them more money for that. We're in on annual pass. We're Disney Vacation Club, and that's fine. So the problem is there's a lot of foreigners that come there, and they just soon pay $15 a day extra to get in a shorter line. But what I saw was the lightning lanes were a lot longer than I ever remember Fast Pass line. How about?
Yeah. You pay extra for it, you're standing in line anyways.
Yeah.
Which is weird.
There's only one attraction at Animal Kingdom that I will stand in line for an hour or more. That's Flight of Passage over at Pandora, the World of Avatar. And I kept watching it on my app to see what the wait times were, and it was getting towards the end of the day. Park was closing at 7. It was just about a little after 6, and it said that there was a 70-minute wait. So we went over to check it out. There was no line down at the base. And I know that it's usually like 40 to 50 minutes from there, because we've done it several times. But we decided to get in line for Flight of Passage. I put a stopwatch timer on my phone, and we walked in. Well, it wasn't quite 70. It turned out to be 61 minutes, which, maybe I'm splitting hairs. It's 9 minutes faster than what they said. But we were able to get on. And then we walked out of the park in the dark. And overall, I thought it was a really good day. What do you think overall?
You walked out of the park when it was closed. There's hardly anybody there.
We didn't actually get out until 7:30, quarter to 8 when we were walking out the gate. But anyways, we had fun making the video. I hope you had fun watching it. Anyways.
We do Disney on a budget.
Oh, we definitely do. We're cheap. We're cheap.
We're not giving them any more money.
No. We already give them, we already give them money for annual passes. We give them Disney Vacation Club dues, maintenance fees, they call them. So, and we've been doing Disney Vacation Club for 12 years, I think. I think 12. But we found that it's been very worthwhile for us. But anyways, if you like the video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, what do?
Subscribe.
How do you do that?
Click the button.
Click the button, she says. There's a little bell on there if you want to be notified when we put a video up. But anyways, thanks for watching. It's officially over when she gives you that. Or that.